Hello students, welcome back to class 10 English class. So today I am going to discuss about your writing portion in your syllabus. Okay, so your writing section will be of 20 marks. Okay, so once you just read the syllabus, if you have gone through the syllabus, you can find that your writing section will be of 20 marks. Okay, and in your writing section there will be letter writing and paragraph writing. First is letter writing, of 10 marks, and number 2 will be paragraph writing, that is also carries 10 marks. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the letter writing part. You are having formal letter. Okay, you are having formal letter. So at first you have to know what is formal letter. So what is formal letter? Already you have done it. A formal letter. Okay, so you are going to get formal letter in your class 10 CBSE English question paper. So what is formal letter? A formal letter is a letter writing in formal language in a stipulated format for official purpose. Okay, so I am writing down in the board what is the definition. At first you must know what is formal letter. It is a letter written in formal language in a stipulated format for official purpose. Okay, so this is the definition. That means you have to write in a formal language, then in a stipulated format. That means you have to know the correct format how to write a letter. This is the stipulated format, that you have to know the actual format how to write a letter. Then you can carry or you can score a very good marks while writing a letter, while attempting a letter in your board examination. So now I will show you what are the types of formal letter that are supposed to be come in your exam. Types and topics. Generally, formal letter is considered as one of the important part of your question paper, as you can carry or as you can score a good marks, a very good marks if you attempt the formal letter. Okay, but what you have to know, if you want to score good marks, the most important thing, the actual format of the letter, and you have to pen down the instruction that is given in your question paper. Okay, so what are the types and topics? So first type is editorial letter. First type is editorial letter. Okay, so what is editorial letter? Editorial letter means a letter to editor regarding you have to express your views about any social issues, just like any about child labor. You have to write a letter to an editor expressing your views about child labor, about crime against women. Okay, these are the topic, even on environmental issues also. So these are the topic that may come under editorial letter. That means expressing your views regarding any social or environmental issues. Okay, so this is editorial letter, that means a letter to the editor. Next, number 2 is complaint letter. Complaint letter. So these are the types that I am discussing with you so that you can practice at your home. Complaint letter. Complaint letter means complaining regarding any misbehavior of any staff, or regarding misbehavior of any person or any salesman. Okay, regarding any defective goods also. So I am writing down the examples. These are the topic that you can practice at your home regarding any defective goods, misbehavior of any person, okay, or regarding any social issues. For example, complain against shortage of water supply or frequent power breakdown. Okay, these are all examples I am giving regarding complaint regarding any social issues, okay, or day-to-day things. So these are the two types. First is the editorial letter, then the complaint letter. Already I have discussed with you. So next, third one will be order placing letters. Order placing letters. This is one of the type also that may come in your exam. That means you have to write a letter and ordering any about delivering about any things, just placing an order. Example, just placing an order of books or any school equipments. So these are the possible example I am giving you so that you can understand and practice at your home. Okay, so place order placing letters. So that means you have to place order regarding any order of books or regarding any social school equipments or any games equipments, etc. Okay, and the last one is inquiry letter. Fourth one is inquiry letter. What is inquiry letter? Inquiry letter means asking about any information about anything. Means asking, you are writing a letter to a tourist association asking about any tourist package, or you are asking any details about government schemes, or you are asking details of about any admission. Okay, so examples I am writing: asking details, okay, about admission procedures. Okay, next, asking details about any government scheme or asking for tour package. So these are the examples that is coming under enquiry letter. So you have to practice all the types of this letter. First is the editorial type, already I have discussed, and already I have discussed about the possible topics. Next, order placing letters, enquiry letters, and complaint letters. So these are the topics and types that I have discussed. Now I am coming